Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Yuewen for free and unlimited time. So actually this is a free AI tool, but what you're going to do is you need to sign up an account right here. And let me tell you that in order for you to sign up, you must be one of the countries that you can see below. This is only intended for some specific countries, and you need to provide a phone number because they will send you a code in order for you to activate or to create an account right here. But once you have your account, then you can use this AI for free. You just have to add a specific or prompt. You can ask ChatGPT for that. You can ask the help from ChatGPT and then paste the prompt right here and then create or generate image or video. These are the sample videos of Yuan, and you can just also generate the same video if you have exact or correct prompt. So you can generate videos like this and it's unlimited. Again, you just need to create an account. Now, if you want to create videos like this, and if you don't know how to create a correct prompt or right prompt, again, I introduced to you ChatGPT. All you need to do is go or create an account in ChatGPT and then ask for a specific prompt. So you just have to go to any web browser and then type ChatGPT. Click this one, create an account. It's also for free. Now, after you have created an account, and then you can ask for a prompt right here. And what you're going to do is that you can just copy that prompt, go back to UN, and then paste the prompt there. Wait for a couple of seconds as you then generate a video or image. So basically, that's it. Just add the correct prompt, go to UN, create an account, paste the prompt, and then generate the image or video. So in my case, this one is not available in my country, but at least I show you how to create one and how to make possible videos or generate videos using ChatGPT and Yuan. And that's how easy it is to use Yuan for free and unlimited time. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.